Hey there, Nick Caney with Caney Properties Group. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. I'm here for the Monday market update. Today is May 24th. Of the regions we cover, we saw 14 closed escrows, down slightly from the previous week's total of 17. Prices range from a $4.6 million cottage with ocean views in Northwest Carmel that sold over list price, down to a $600,000 unit in the Del Mesa complex at the mouth of the valley. This brings the total invested for the week to $31.8 million, which is roughly half of the previous week's total of $64.2, where the Pebble Beach area saw two sales above the $10 million threshold, lifting up the total investments for the week. Looking at the average days on market, this week came in at 24.5 days, which is down substantially from the previous week's total of 64.8, where there were a fair amount of properties that had been sitting on the market in excess of 200 days that eventually went into escrow and closed. So we do anticipate those average days on markets to shrink back down to where they're currently hovering in the low 20s. Negotiations remain very, very tight, benefiting sellers in this hot marketplace. In fact, this week came in at 1.0% average above list price, which is a staggering feat to say the least. Other items in the news, the Rancho Cañada development finally got the green light to move forward with this project after an appeals court approved their argument. This is good news both for flood mitigation measures for the Carmel and Carmel Valley, as well as lower income housing opportunities for local families and businesses. Last but not least, we are officially 2 weeks away from summer vacation, as well as getting into the lowest restrictive tier for our COVID-related restrictions. We're very excited to have a little bit more of normalcy as we head into our peak tourism season. So we'll keep you closely posted if anything changes on that end, but enjoy the balance of your week and stay tuned for further updates.